Nothing hurts more than hearing your son ask, "Why does mommy look so old at 3 years old?" This was everything. Needed to hear to start my change. But he was right. I couldn't even recognize myself anymore. I knew something had to change immediately. My doctors recommended that I try NAD plus IV therapy to look like my old self. I was very excited until he told me it costs $800 per IV and have lots of side effects. A friend of mine suggested Shilajit to me, an organic alternative. I decided to start that same day and got amazing results in 30 days. I couldn't believe this was possible. Just 20 days in, and I'm already happy with my results and feeling confident in my body. And this is after 30 days of taking Shilajit. My skin couldn't be better. He even calls me Mommy again. My holy grail. This is the magical Shilajit. It's very affordable and easy to take.